DepEd Cebu Province TV-based instructions program, Sugbo Teleklase. Sa Sugbo, bata ang sentro sa panlibisyo.
Dasig Sugbo.
Greetings, our grade 6 learners, and welcome to another episode of Fun and Easy Way to Learn Math, made easy by your friends here on Math Legends TV. Teacher Mar here, at your service. And today, we will determine the relationship of the volumes between a rectangular prism and a pyramid, a cylinder and a cone, and a cylinder and a sphere.
Yema?
Yes, they are. And I made those for the both of you. Go take your share. But here's the catch. You have to choose either you take the rectangle shape or the triangular ones.
You mean the prism shape or the pyramid shape?
That's right. Very smart. Okay, take your pick. So, have you made up your mind?
Yes! I will take all these pyramid shapes because there are 3 of them. So I should have more than Vera.
That's fine. I will take the other. It's bigger anyway.
Can we eat them now?
Yes. Enjoy eating your equal shares.
What? These are equal? No
way.
Yes, you heard that right. Both of them got equal shares. And they just had a good laugh about it. It's no surprise. That's math. Still not convinced? Watch this to prove it. Notice the pyramid and the cube. The area of their square base are equal. If we will fill this pyramid full with water and pour it out into the cube, notice that 1/3 of the cube is filled. Pour in another, and the cube looks filled more than half. Pour in another, and the cube is entirely full. So what have you found out? That's right. With similar or equal area of their base and their height, a square base prism is 3 times greater in volume than a square pyramid. So for the Yema, can you tell how many for each type will equal the other? Let's fill this table. Very good. For 3 of the prism-shaped Yema is 9 of the pyramid-shaped, while 6 of the pyramid shape is 2 of the prism shaped. We have just compared the volumes of 2 solid shapes, and we just found out also how related some can be. Like this prism and square-based pyramid. With the same area of their base and the same measure of their height, a square pyramid is 1/3 the square-based prism. Can you recall your past lessons about volume? Volume is defined as the amount of space in a certain solid shape. Solid shapes are shapes that occupy space. This means they occupy the 3 dimensions of space, which are the length, width, and height. They can be classified as regular or irregular. Can you tell which of the 2 is the regular and irregular solid? Correct. The rectangular prism is the regular solid, while the piece of rock is an irregular solid. Regular solids, such as the rectangular prism, have fixed geometric shape, where a formula can be developed. Irregular solids have no fixed geometric shape. Hence, a standard formula can't be made. Water displacement is a technique used in your science class, which I will leave to your science class to explain. Now, in reference to the formula of the rectangular prism, which is the area of the base multiplied by the height, can you tell the formula of the square-based pyramid granted their base and height are similar? Very good. By dividing 3 to the formula of the rectangular prism, you get the formula of such square pyramid. How about a cylinder and a cone with similar circular base and height? Do you think the same ratio applies here? How many of such cone makes up this cylinder? Let's find out. Wow, isn't that fascinating? The same rule actually applies here. So, in reference to the formula of a cylinder, that is, the area of the circular base, or pi r squared, times the height, can you tell the formula of a cone? Very good. By dividing 3 to the formula of the cylinder, you get the formula of the cone. Now, fill this table to equally compare the ratio of the cone to a cylinder, granting their height and the area of the base are the same. Very good. With equal area of their base and their height, one cylinder equals to 3 cones. 4 cylinders equal 12 cones. And 10 cylinders equal 30 cones. Looks like you're getting it. Now let's try out the formula. Here, using the formula, let us solve the volume of the square pyramid. The area of the square base is 4 square centimeters. Multiplied with the height of 3 centimeters is 12 cubic centimeters. Divide with 3 is 4 cubic centimeters. The volume of the square pyramid is 4 cubic centimeters. There will be more activities on the computation of volumes of solid shape in the coming episodes. Now let's compare a sphere and a cylinder. This sphere has the same diameter and height as the cylinder. Let's check if the same rule applies here. Notice the sphere and the cylinder. Their diameter and height are equal. If we use the displacement method, which is done by submerging the sphere, the water that is displaced is the volume of the sphere. Notice that 1/3 of the water is left in the cylinder, which means the sphere should be 2/3 the volume of the cylinder. To prove it, let's fill the sphere full with liquid and pour it into the cylinder. Voila! It's full again. So what have you found out this time? Is the rule similar as the cone and the pyramid? Absolutely not. The case is different with the sphere this time. The volume of a sphere is 2/3 the volume of a cylinder of the same height and diameter. I'm having so much fun with the facts we found out today. I hope you are too. So in a nutshell, here's what we found out. A cone is 1/3 the volume of a cylinder of similar height and diameter. A sphere is 2/3 the volume of the cylinder of similar height and diameter. And a square pyramid is 1/3 the volume of the rectangular prism with the same height and area of the base. Now let's try some quick check on what you have learned today. Answer the following before the time is up. You have 15 seconds to answer each item. Ready? Go! There is a cylinder and a cone of equal circular base and height. If the cylinder can hold 60 milliliters or 60 cubic centimeters of water, how much will the cone contain? Correct. The answer is B. There is a rectangular prism and a square pyramid of equal base and height. How many of such pyramid will equal the rectangular prism? Nice. The answer is B. There is a cylinder and a sphere of equal diameter and height. If the cylinder can hold 60 milliliters or 60 cubic centimeters of water, how much will the sphere contain? Very good. The answer is D. There is a cylinder, cone, and sphere of the same diameter and height. For one cylinder, how many of such cone and sphere are needed to make them equal? Correct. The answer is C. What is the volume of this square pyramid? Very good. The answer is C. Nicely done. With this knowledge, you definitely have the edge in dealing with real-life problems.
Mark, here's your share.
You should try them too. And now, the three of us have equal share.
Wow, very smart. Okay, time to enjoy our favorite snacks. But wait! Did you wash your hands before eating those? Did you do it properly? Let's not also forget to drink water after eating those. And I suggest we brush our teeth later as well. Alright?
Good idea. Let's eat!
For more application on what you have learned in this episode, check out your self-learning module, Quarter 4, Week 1. Have fun learning and see you next time on another exciting episode of Math Legends TV. Bye!
DepEd Cebu Province TV-based instructions program, Sugbo Teleklase. Sa Sugbo, bata ang sentro sa pambilisyo.
Dasig Sugbo.